Hey y'all, today we are going to be going over how to create a Gmail account. Let's get into it. So to start off, you're going to want to head to google.com. Your page should look something like this. Up at the top right, we have Gmail. Let's go ahead and select that. Once here, we can select Create an Account. And then you have to decide if it's for personal use or business. For me, this is just going to be personal. So you can go ahead and enter in your first and last name. Once entered in, go ahead and click Next. It'll ask you for some general information, and click Next once completed. If you don't get any options that you like, you can always create your own, and go ahead and create a password. You can add on a recovery email if needed. I'm going to skip that for now. And my email is created. We'll go ahead and hit next. You do need to agree to this and confirm. And now my Gmail is created. Let me know if this video helped. Leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.